Hello, and thank you for tuning in to another Wednesday's Musing. Today, we'd like to share about how our past lives are influencing your current situation and your current level of development. Now, many peoples of the world, for some odd reason, do not believe in past lives. They have been taught to believe in this one life and make it the best you can. For when you die, when your body dies, you're going to either go into one of two places. Well, that is definitely false beliefs, because you all are here and you were here before. So that belief does not make any sense whatsoever. But as a child, you may have believed it because you couldn't cognitively discern on your own at age 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You basically went along with what you were told by church, by parents, by your first grade teacher, even by your peers. So we kind of have two levels of teachings here on this planet that have been here for a very long time. Those that have come from illusion and fear, and those that have come from the truth and source. And we each have the choice to believe. The choice to believe or not believe. Let's reimagine, since you were an eternal being that came from source, pure and whole, and downgraded and split yourself off into different lower dimensional vibrations to experience life, to experience duality, to experience the joy and the pain of consciousness and embodiment. And along the way, through millions of years on this planet and other planets and systems, you develop belief systems based on your past, based on your history. For we are still conditioned to behave today through our beliefs that we cultivated in our past. For instance, starting in early childhood in this lifetime. Not knowing at those times that knowledge either came from illusion and fear or came from love and truth. But we weren't taught that. So now we are being challenged and we are being called to ascertain and to discern what is our truth for this incarnation. How are we to believe and choose? How are we to be free from our past conditioning called past lives? You've all had past lives as a monk, as a nun, as a mystic, as a yogi, as a yogini, as a sage, an oracle, a prophet, a priestess, a medicine man, a medicine woman, academic teacher, professor, military leaders. You've been both a leader and a follower in your tribe, in your communities. And since you never die, even if you had the belief upon, say, one incarnation where you only believed in one life, and this is it, I'm dying now, my body's getting old, or just got shot. Wow, now what? You still live. And you may have gotten stuck in the astral. You may have got stuck in the lower earthbound vibrations, not knowing that you were trapped in this construct that did not allow you to, shall we say, go back directly to Prime Creator through your beliefs. that perhaps you're going to be punished or scolded or shunned or reprimanded because they said God is a vengeful God. God is an angry God. You better behave. You better not sin. And there's such being called, you know what, that wreaks havoc upon the earth in the astral plane. Well, in some sense, all of that is true in an illusionary sense, but you're now being called to move awareness into that place of truth, of what is true for you, the being, you, the representative of Creator here on earth. And what if you were just to be and not do so much, to be the presence of the light? In so many past lives, we're taught to do and to accomplish and to succeed and be successful. And if you didn't achieve those goals, then there was disappointment, a sense of failure, a sense of I didn't meet my higher self's visions and goals, or I disappointed God, or I fell short, or oh my God, now what? So these are old beliefs and thoughts and ideas. It's now time to begin to transcend and move away from the old construct, our history, our conditioning, our imprinting of what was, because a new earth is demanding, in a sense, that we move into this new vibration with clarity, without pre-thought, without dragging our emotional baggage from the past. How do we do that? How do we trust in the unknown? Well, that's it. Learning to trust in what you can't see, what you can't know in your next step. And letting go of the past life influences of being hurt, of being disappointed, of being frustrated, of falling short of your goals, not being good enough. Reimagine in the very beginning that each oversoul or each I am presence upon birth into creation was given all the attributes of God. Since you are an extension and a replica of creator source energy, you have all the gifts and abilities inherent within you that are inherent in your junk DNA, in your RNA, your chromosomes, genes, your telomeres, and your codons. It's all there in your physical body, in the brain, in the heart center, in the threefold flame of the heart. So today, make a commitment to begin to be free of all past life influences, so you can be in the here and now, making choices and decisions free from all influences from others and the past, including your parents, your spouses, your exes, your kids, your parents, all of that, the church, spiritual groups, all of it. Can you be free? Free of all past life influences, to be here in this now moment, self-empowered, creating choices and decisions based in the now moment, in spontaneity, in love and joy and bliss and grace and blessings. Is that possible? So perhaps this could be your assignment for this week, your musing for the week. Is it possible for me, the consciousness, the soul, the I am, to be free through this embodiment, through my field and my form, and free of this old construct that we call the reincarnational matrix of conflict, of learning through conflict, the old construct of polarity and limitation, of fear and death. And is it possible for you each and every day to remember that you are a divine creator manifesting a form, that you are beholding a new life each and every day, a new world, a new reality, a new body, a new mind, a new consciousness and presence? Can you? Always remember that even though you may not be able to see God, you can feel God. And you can feel the love and the grace and the blessings. And it's in this awareness and knowing and realization that you move forward in life, creating beautiful, beautiful creations for God to experience and for others to experience. For you are a divine creator manifesting in form, without limitations. Take each step, each day with grace. Now, you may go to kenjikumara.com to check out our new offerings and programs, events, and past products. For all that is given to the website is live and organic. Everything has been recorded for the future so that these activations and meditations can live forever for those that are ready to receive. So are you ready to receive? So muse on that for this next week. And until next time, we send our blessings from Sedona, beautiful Sedona. Come visit anytime. Sacred hikes, couples retreats, wave sessions. Many blessings to you this day.